Welcome back. We're here in front of the dive shop today to show off our newest dive computer, the Descent G1 series, giving you smartwatch functionality and premium dive features in one rugged timepiece. It's super cold out here, so let's head inside and check it out. All right, Patrick, thank you for joining us today. This is going to be the second time that you're on our channel. Last time we talked about the MK2 and the T1 transmitter, and this time we're talking about a brand new series, the Descent G1 series. Let's dive into the deep end and talk a little bit more about that.
Yeah, certainly. Well, thanks for having me back. It's exciting to announce a new dive computer product that we have been working on for quite some time. This is the Descent G1 dive computer. So this is a dive computer that is, in Garmin tradition, an active lifestyle smartwatch, GPS enabled smartwatch, and full function dive computer combined into one. So it's a recognition that divers aren't just divers, they're athletes, they're explorers, and we're really trying to continue to provide them with tools and watches that help them in all of their activities.
Very cool, yeah, and it seems like a great looking watch. Tell me a little bit more about what's going on with the face and the buttons and everything.
Sure. We took a lot of feedback, amazing feedback from our Descent MK users. They really love the active lifestyle, surface functionality, and the no compromise dive computer capability they got with the watch. But we really wanted to think about how do we bring that capability to a price point that would appeal to more divers. So that is the G1. The G1 is a fun, fresh, but still rugged design. We have multiple color options. It comes with a high contrast monochrome display, sapphire lens, so still very, very scratch resistant, very rugged. And in some models we offer solar charging.
Very cool, and it seems to look a lot like our Instinct series.
Yeah, we pulled a lot from the heritage and the lessons learned from building our Instinct smartwatch, but it is really its own design. It has inductive leak-proof buttons. It has a completely re-engineered set of internal electronics to really make it suitable for the harsh environment of diving. We did keep a lot of the stuff that's made Instinct so popular, the surface profiles for running and hiking and biking and swimming, so you really get a lot in the G1 package.
And I'm sure it's more than just a pretty face. What's going on the inside? What's going on with the software?
Yeah, this is a fully functional, recreational, and technical dive computer. So we didn't hold back on any of the diving features. So this has capabilities for single gas, multi-gas, rebreather, gauge mode, and we have 2 free diving modes. We handle everything from air to nitrox to trimix. We offer separate gas profiles for each of those dives. And we've included a lot of functionality that makes it really perfect not only for a recreational diver, but all the way up through a primary or backup dive computer for an advanced technical diver. We have GPS that'll automatically mark your entry and exit points.
Wow.
We have wrist-based heart rate, which we had on our MK series, but we've also added new for G1 as a pulse oximeter, so you can get your pulse ox. And we have an amazing 3-axis digital compass. Also with the solar versions of G1, we have the quick fit band system, so you can easily go from wearing this around every day or wearing this on your bare wrist in warm water, snap the short band off, snap the long band on, and it's ready to go for a thick wetsuit or a dry suit.
And it sounds like a lot of those software features also apply to everyday activities like running and walking and everything.
Yeah, absolutely. So all the daily activity and health tracking that people have come to know the Garmin brand for are baked into this. So it's, again, useful every day for tracking your steps, tracking your sleep, going on your run, your hike, your bike, your swim, and then you can take it straight into the water and go diving with it.
You also mentioned something about free diving. What's going on with that?
Yeah, we've had free diving in the MK series for ever since we launched. We decided we could improve that experience a bit more. So with the G1, we've added some new capabilities for free divers. We've added some new metrics to help them track their performance during an apnea session. We've improved the customizability of the experience, and we've also added a stopwatch to improve safety. So for the metric side, we wanted to provide some additional metrics that the users could use to analyze their dive. So we have ascent rate and descent rate that's logged. You'll get that after your dive, as well as your total ascent time, your descent time, and your hang time on the bottom. We've also added the ability to customize the watch, so you can move the data fields around, you can add data pages, you can remove data pages. And then probably my favorite feature on the freediving space is the new stopwatch. Very simple, one-touch button to start and stop, but it really helps to add safety and being able to track your buddy's time underwater.
So the watch seems to have a lot of great features. What about the Garmin Dive app? How does this correlate with that?
Yeah, so the G1 connects to our Garmin Dive mobile app, and that allows you to pull the dives directly off the watch. It creates a dive log, and you can decorate that dive log with all the experiences you had on the dive. You can also add your gear. So if you have gear that you want to track and add, that's there in the log. And we also in the Dive app have an explore section, so you can find dive sites all over the world and potentially discover new places you might want to go check out.
Very cool. So as somebody who's not done a ton of this, is setting up the watch, setting up the app, is it difficult to set up?
Yeah, not at all. Great question. So one of the things that we're introducing with G1, we have a new software update for the Garmin Dive app that will allow you to set up and configure your watch directly from the mobile app. So it makes it really easy as you're getting ready for your dive. You can set up your gases, set up your conservatism, all of that on the surface from the ease and comfort of your mobile device versus having to do that on the watch in the settings.
Well, that's a lot of great information. Thank you for having me and talking me through the new Descent G1. Are we good to get in and maybe test it out?
Yeah, let's go diving.
Awesome, sounds good. No matter where your lifestyle takes you on your next adventure, whether it be land or sea, this compact dive computer is built for both of your worlds. And no matter how it may appear on the outside, with the G1 on your wrist, you're a diver underneath. Hey, thanks for taking the time to learn more about the Garmin Descent G1 series. For now, that's all I've got. This is Avery from Garmin wishing you the best no matter where your adventure takes you. And in all that you do, we hope we've helped you beat yesterday.